How to buy crypto on Bybit in Nigeria. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy crypto on Bybit in Nigeria. After you open up your Bybit app like this, go to asset at bottom right side. After you go to asset, so tap on this deposit button. After you go to deposit, now select this buy with NGN. So from this option, now the first thing to do, now you tap on this buy button and select now the crypto you want to sell, you want to buy. So now you go and search for the crypto you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy BTC. So select the Bitcoin. So now here it is now. Now I want to buy Bitcoin in Nigeria. So after you select the Bitcoin, now you specify the amount. So just type in the amount in this option. So the minimum amount you can buy is 4,500. So for the Bitcoin, the minimum amount you can buy is is this 450? That's the minimum amount of Bitcoin you can buy. So just type in, let's say I want to buy for 20,000. After you type in the amount you want to buy, here you'll be able to see the equivalent of the BTC you'll be getting if you pay the amount. So the next thing to do, now we tap on this pay with and select the payment method. So if you want, you can use bank transfer. If you select this bank transfer, they will give you any bank just to send the money. After you send the money, from there they will just release the crypto on your Bybit account. Or if you want, you can use this Kuda, you can use OPay, PalmPay, Access, and other third party. If you want, just select one of them. If your bank is not available in this list, just select the first one, bank transfer. So from there, it just allow you to use the any bank. So let's say now I want to use OPay, I'll just select this one. My bank is OPay. Then I will select this confirm button. So now if I tap on this next button, so now as you can see, it says now here now you'll be able now to see all the details about the order you are trying to buy. So you'll be able now to pay now 20,000 and you'll be receiving amount of BTC. And as you can see now, here is the price of the BTC as I'm currently recording this video. And they give you a time to pay for the amount. That's 15 minutes. So tap on this place order button. So after you tap on the place order, as you can see now, here is the option. So the first thing to do now is just copy the address, the account number they gave you. So here is now the account number. So here is the person, and here is account number, and here is his bank. So the person is using money points. So after you finish now with transferring the money to this account, so the next thing to do, you just tap on this complete payment button, and from there, sometime they will ask you to upload a slip. After you finish uploading the slip, and from there, if the person receive your money, so from there the person will send you the amount of the crypto you bought from him. The crypto will be transferred into your wallet, and that's it. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.